Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you a spotlight of landscape that we installed in Lucas for Siqi and Linwen. At Siqi's home, he wanted more color, he wanted more of a contemporary look, and it was important to keep things simple. On these front drive entries that we have, what we want to do is to screen the entry, or screen the driveway and the garage a little bit, because otherwise it is an awful lot of hard concrete. So we started out, this is a little gem magnolia, and then in front of that we have a spirea, which will give us some nice pink blooms. We have purple heart in front over here. That's the purple colored plant that will spread and fill in. We have a trailing rosemary. Trailing rosemary doesn't get nearly as big or take over like the normal rosemary does. It's a little bit freeze sensitive, but it is a beautiful, beautiful plant. Behind that we have kaleidoscopelia. And then as we go across the windows, what we're wanting to do is to screen the foundation a little bit. This is a Carissa holly, and it'll turn into about a 3 or 4 foot mound, so it'll be just a little bit underneath the windowsill. Doesn't require really much of trimming at all, because it turns into just a low mound. Then we have more of the spirea behind. This is, in front, is a blue rug juniper, and that's going to fill in and make kind of a carpet. Behind that, we have giant liriope, and then this back here has become really popular. This is sunshine ligustrum, and that's become popular over the past couple of years. That's going to get about 4 feet tall or so. So it's going to be seen as they look out the windows. They'll see the bottoms of it, but it won't block the windows, and it has a nice yellow color and texture. Then we have nandinas wrapping around. These are going to be obsession nandinas. They're wrapping around the entry. And then we repeat the theme as we go on across. We're using a white Austin stone border. In the back over here we have that's a Pringle yew. That's the green plant that has soft needles. Again, as you're looking from the porch, that's going to get about 3-4 feet tall, and it's going to soften that stone wall. We use the magnolias. Over on the side, to screen the backyard, we are using dwarf Burford hollies, or actually, I'm sorry, that's needlepoint holly, and those will get up somewhere around 6 feet tall or so. They're going to screen this fence nicely and frame the house, which is what we're looking for. So this is, when you look at the photos, you can see this is quite a difference in the landscape from when we started. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channels and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.